Good morning, everyone. Myself, Nahesh Sundarrao Patil, working as Assistant Professor in ENTC Department, JS Films Imperial College of Engineering, Wagudi, Pune. Today, we are going to conduct experiment of mechatronics engineering, and from that of third year ENTC. One of the experiment is to do the position control of servo motor by using a photoelectric pickup. Now, this is the training kit of that same experiment. Now, here the setup of servo motor with photoelectric pickup is used. This is the control panel of the same experiment. Now, this is the connection wise. So, we have SMPS, we have MCB, we have connectors, we have data cable to take the data from this GOC, graphical operation controller. Now this is graphic operation controller of the servo motor position control kit. Now whenever we have to start, we'll switch on the mains. Then we have to provide this mains gives us 230 volt. To provide a 24 volt, we have to use 24 volt power supply on through SMPS. So it takes a bit of time to initialize the setup and graphical interface. So now here we can see the servo motor servo position control onto the graphical display where all the details are. Now whenever we want to perform, first we have to go to the next screen. So we have to set the different operations of this. So on this screen there are different parameters. First is set servo speed. That means we have to set the servo motor speed, and the photoelectric pickup will also give its speed, which will be indicated at this point. So here we can set the speed of servo motor. Now there are few function keys and few arrow keys to do this operation, and there are few buttons which can be used to operate the motor. Now these are F1, F2, F3, F4, F5 can be used for different purposes, like F2 can be used for forward direction, F4 can be used for reverse direction, or we can use this K1 to K8 functions, like K1 key is used for forward direction, K2 for reverse, K3 will be used to stop the motor. Whenever we want to change the position of this, we can use the position mode, and whenever from that particular position if we want to take the motor to the initial, that is home position, we can use homing operation. Now here we want to set a servo motor speed. So we will set a servo motor speed, let's say 1240 RPM. So below this F1 to F5 there are numerical characters 0, 5, 1, 6, 2, 7, 3, 8 and 4, 9. So we can set this by using this. Now here we are using this. So first we have to set this. We have to enter. So highlighted one is, now we have to set our servo motor speed. So we are setting it as, so now the motor is on. We have to enter. Motor is on. We have to set the speed 12. Any speed can be done. We are setting 1234 RPM. Now this is the set speed of motor, and now we have to decide the direction of the motor, whether we want to rotate it in forward direction or reverse direction. So by using this, or here it is the forward direction, we can set the motor speed. Now motor is rotating with direction control. So we have selected the forward direction, and motor is also rotating at forward direction. Now the servo motors, we have set the speed of 1, 2, 3, 4 RPM, that is 1234, and the photoelectric pickup gave the RPM speed which is indicated here. Now there may be a slight difference, which may be there, which can be an error, instrument error can be there. So approximately we get 1236 here right now, so which is exactly near to the 1, 2, 3, 4 RPM. So this is one of the part of this experiment. Here we can do the reverse of this also. So we have to stop the motor and we have to rotate it in the reverse mode. So the now motor is rotating in the reverse direction. So here also you can see this motor is rotating in the anti-clockwise direction. Whenever we are saying it is reverse mode. Now we are stopping the motor. So if you want to set the angle of this, we can do that also, setting the angle. So go to the next screen. So here there are two parameters, set particular angle and what is the current position of the angle. The homing button is used to get the motor at the start position. Now this is where we got the motor at the initial position. Now we can set any angle. So here we may set, we have to use 235. Then we have to set the motor's rotation forward or reverse. So whenever we will stop, so we have set that angle of the motor at this. Now we are going into again position mode. So it is in home position. So we have to set angle. We have entered the angle. So the now entered angle is given there. So we have entered a 236. So this is the servo motor position control by using photoelectric pickup, where this photoelectric pickup will also measure the angle, current speed of the